Oh shit!
That nigga driving that bitch.
Yeah.
Look at TJ dumbass. TJ, what you doing? Cuz tripping. Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video.
I've been doing this on my own. What make you think that you can stop me? Nope. I just been getting that bad. That bad been coming too empty. Nigga, it done got heavy. Thought I had me a Simmons. Nigga making all they moves. Might as well be the Senate. Nigga, I'm like a major. Because I got all the trumpets.
Cari crew. Hey, man. As y'all can see, we had something totally different, man. We had a car meet, cuz. A local car meet, bro. I ain't been to a local car meet, Cari crew. And I don't know how long, man. I'm finna try to see if let me get the little thumbnail right quick, man. But y'all see what's going on, man. Big boy local car meet, man. They doing a local car meet for Kim. I don't want to say his name wrong, but y'all know the you know what I'm saying, the professional driver, man, Ken, man. I keep getting his last name mixed up, but Ken, you know what I'm saying? They're doing that in honor of him. So that's what they're doing, man. Local meet. We ain't had a local meet in a minute. And I ain't been to one in a minute. And this one kind of deep, man. Usually nobody don't show up. But you know what I'm saying? Finna go straight to my boy, Joker Crazy or whatever. That's who we got. A few toys out, man. You know what I'm saying? Peep, Scat Shaker, feel me? Challenger. This is wide body. You got a nice wide body, you know what I'm saying? With a sunroof prop. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Got the Flow Series going crazy. Flow Series going crazy. You got the glitter Lexus. The glitter Lexus, you know what I'm saying? I never know what y'all think about that. GTO. What's up, man? Chrome Vet. I know that my boy car showed y'all a while back. Chrome Vet with a red good. I ain't did a video like this, Cari crew, in a minute, man. I ain't did a video like this in a minute. I'm finna show y'all the whip, man. Got a few toys out, man. Some slight. Got a few toys out, man. Got a few toys out, man. What's up, man? What's going on? Got my boy Carl over there, man. Y'all see, man. Got my partners out here, man. We gotta get this footage first, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna walk back through. You got a racing seat. And this, I don't know what that is. But I see my boy. My boy got this, the wide body light up show. What's up, man?
What up, man?
What's going on with you? I ain't seen that mug in a minute.
Hell yeah, I got some spaces on the rear.
Oh, real? Oh yeah, that bit tough, man. That bit tough, man. I can see you got the deep lip on that joint, man. That bit deep. You put your hand in there, you know what I'm saying? You got the vet. I mean, I said vet. I'm tripping. I looked at the wrong car. We got a 2V Camaro. It's a newer Scion. I'm gonna go back. Oh, so there was GSP over there. That's crazy. Oh, GTR, okay. As y'all can see, man. Y'all ain't never seen what a GTR look like. I think it's my first time looking too, but y'all can see. With the saddle, we got a nice ramp on it. You know what I'm talking, man? Peep the detail. You know what I'm saying? I'm alright, man. But you see they got GSP over there, man. So I already know you can't come out here crazy. come out here crazy. Let's see what they got. I'm gonna walk all the way through, man, just to show y'all all the whips, man. Look at that WR8, man. That must so clean. That WR8 so clean. I want me one of those cars, too. Look at these mud, man. This is what I want, man. I go JDM. I gotta get one. These are so hard to me, bro. Crazy. That's a fun fat car, dude. Yeah, y'all already know. It's a slight meat though, man. You know, 12 with us, you know, ain't gonna get too lethal, too wicked out there, bitch. But we, you know what I'm saying? We here got the SS Trailblazer, boy. These mother tough, I ain't gonna lie, back then. I ain't gonna lie, I'd take one of these. Just for like on some project shit, like. That'd be hard. GL1. You know what I'm saying? See what they got going over here, man. It feel like I've been recording forever. I've only been recording for like 5 minutes. That's crazy. Literally only been recording for like 5 minutes. I walk that fast. It's pretty deep though. It usually even be this deep. Especially on the cold nights, a little chilly out here. Y'all see, man. Pro charge. That's it. Y'all comment down below what car y'all favorite, you know what I'm saying? Or y'all car made a video if you watching the video. This something slight, man. Ain't really too much going on. It got a nice GTO. I just want one of these. I ain't gonna lie. I just really want one of these. But yeah, man, ain't really too much going on, man. Now I see O'Leal. Live in the cut, man. He got Recaro seats. He got Recaro seats in the V6. EcoBoost. That's crazy. Salute to the Mustang boy. I see, man. We got a little something. They're wide body smooth or red good. Yeah, man. Let me see. I don't know. I'll turn the camera back on. I get when something start popping out. Everything going on right now. So yeah. Well, all right. That bit, man. Man, just wasting my arm strength.
Somebody get the drone.
He just wasting my arm strength, man. Yeah. The man like Mustang, y'all. Mustang, man. He like these right here.
This man like $80,000 wide body scat packs.
No, I don't.
Trash can.
I like Hellcat, red eyes, and jam brakes. You know what I'm saying? He like these. Man. No, he look just like that, man. Look, his eyes the little middle part. Yeah. Oh yeah, they man like Mustang, man. Dude, we talking about right now. What the hell? Did he put his foot on the gas? What you just did? Hey, but cut your car back off and try that again, cuz.
Don't put that in the video. Yo, scat pack blue.
He put his foot on the gas. I don't know what he doing. Hey, we scared the hell out of the boy. This is what we got going on now. Hey, that bitch sound kind of good. Hey. Yeah. That bitch sound good. Hit that bit. Yeah. That was all right, right? Let me get my boy. Yo. All right, bro. That been hard. I ain't gonna lie. wide wheels. Thought you were gonna hit that bit. That bit, hang on, that bit hard for a second. That bit hard as fuck. Oh. Oh. Oh, I didn't catch me each other like that. Just do it on the hood, on the curb. You're on the wrong side of town. That's. I'm all come through the bit drifting every turn. Huh? What you think? Come through the parking lot drifting every turn? Every curve? That would be hard though in the parking lot of the car meet. Hey, look, everybody gonna be like, look, get your ass on. What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
I bet she can beat you.
Look at this nigga. Look at you got on. Look at jacket.
You gotta say my God. You finna lose.
Yeah, man, I got that glitter motherfucker.
Yeah, he said she beat me. Oh, what?
Yeah, all right. V8 too, by the way. It's a V8, by the way. They got a dark L out here. They got a dark L out here. Let them know what to do, man. What to do? What to do when you watch a video, man? What you supposed to do, man?
Subscribe.
Yeah.
Follow.
Yeah.
Turn on post notifications.
Yeah.
Smoke you a good one before you watch it.
Yeah.
While you watch it.
Yeah.
After you watch it.
Yeah.
And guess what? Keep smoking people.
Yeah.
I did not catch her. That shit pissed me off.
That bit hard. That bit right, boy. Ooh, that bit sound good. I don't even like Mustang, man. That color, oh my God. Hey, that paint is crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, that's crazy. Ooh. Yeah, it was. Yeah, it was pretty deep. They just started leaving, but some people still here. Dang, that mother look crazy. What you got, a Pro Charger?
Yeah, it's got an F1.
F1. How much power it pushing?
Well, 20 pounds it made almost 1,100.
It's a manual?
Oh yeah.
Ooh, you gotta shift them gears for sure.
Oh yeah, it's just fun, huh?
Yeah, that's nice, boy. That's nice, man. I heard that thing breathing from all your ears. Hey man, you gotta go look at that bit. That paint on that bit. That paint on that bit, right? Everybody rolling out, man. Everybody rolling out, man. Got a Pro Charger bitch with ZL1. Oh, that's ZL1. Yeah, that's ZL1. Yeah, right here. Yeah, it's right. Yeah. It's like a glitter. I thought you were gonna do something. Oh, I love how that bitch sound. Do it again. Oh, that bitch sounds good. It sounds powerful. What, this right here? Man, this a V6, ain't it? I think. I don't know. But that bitch skating, what? That bitch was skating. Oh, what the fuck? This bike sound like a damn car, that bitch chopping. That bitch say Steeda. What the fuck is a Steeda, bro? Slight little car beat for you, man. They got one bike. That bitch ain't bad, like. Ooh, that bitch, we got a little wheel power in that bitch. Hey, you know, them the one that be sliding in the A. You ain't getting on nothing, boy. Hey, Jet.
They be right now.
What?
Hey.
Hey, bro. Don't say that no more, bro. Whatever you just said, don't say it no more, bro.
That bitch was spinning. Spinning ain't winning. I get on that bitch ass.
Look at that old bit, man. Okay. That Need for Speed 1.
Oh, shit.
Damn! Oh, that bitch shot like a rocket. Oh, look at bro. Oh, that bro with the Pro Charm up, with the Pro Charm bit. You know you finna come through the bit trick, you better back up. I want back. You know what I said? He got like a small blow on that bitch, Pro Charge on that bitch. Motherfucker. That bitch so clean, bro. That paint, Cari, look at the paint on that bitch, man. The paint is immaculate. Oh my lord. And he got a digital dash in that bitch. He got a digital dash in that bitch. That bitch hard. That shit hard. Bro, he got a digital dash in that bitch. Hey, it's my favorite 2B. All you need is a wing though. I don't like that wing. You gotta get a wing on that big car, dude. You can't ride around looking like eggshell, man. You can't do that. Can't do that. Hopefully he'll give me a pull or something, you know what I mean? Cold. Yeah, I told you he got a digital dash in that bitch. I don't need it. He ain't got no exhaust on that bitch. Good lord. That bitch hard. Please hit that bitch one time. He need to. He ain't gotta hit it all the way to hit that bitch. That bitch hard, boy. He ain't gonna hit that bitch. He ain't gonna hit that bitch. He a good Samaritan.
He's doing me like this.
He a good Samaritan.
That bitch lame as fuck.
Yeah, he got it. He got it to pay for it. He got it. He won't make it if he ain't got it. What the hell speeding in the way? I just seen that. That nigga driving that bitch.
Yeah.
Look at TJ dumbass. TJ, what you? Cuz tripping. He walked that bitch. I ain't gonna lie, he walked that bitch, huh? He walked that bitch. Damn. Oh, but he might not never come back around this bitch. Damn. He was hitting that bitch too. What that was? The SRT8? Cause SRT8, that bitch slide. Hey, I like that bitch. Hey, he's 12 and he trying to get his ass. He could have got his ass though. Hey man, at least a Mustang would have been flipped over. A Mustang been flipped over by then. Dang, man. Damn. That crazy. Nah, he just, man, that nigga still cruising. It's over with. If he get caught, he wanted to get caught. Look at him, man. Look at him, man.
Man, y'all took my man chill out.
Who that man supposed to be Key Glock, man?
He gonna blow up. He gonna blow up, man.
Yeah, man. Appreciate that, man. Appreciate it. Hey, you seen Cuz going crazy?
Yeah.
12 still looking for his ass. That shit over with, man. Huh? Look at your boy. That nigga came too damn late. He came too damn late. For me?
You gonna get a Mustang, fam?
Well, I have to break a leg or something, boy. I ain't gonna lie to you, boy. Man. I can't get rid of one. I gotta keep both. That's my favorite body style Mustang. I get one of these. What the hell you blew out of there? Was that some nitrous or something? What that was? Some nitrous blowing out the back? What that was? I heard some nitrous or something. What that was? Nah, I heard that bitch.
That shit is still loud as fuck.
Yeah.